Hi guys, we're in chapter 4, level HI. It's in your genes. Genes are part of your body's DNA. Genes are inherited from your family. Genes are very small. You cannot see your genes, but you can see the way your genes make you special. This is through your traits and talents. Many people tell Josh, "You look just like your dad." It's in his genes. Josh has a round face like his dad. He has brown hair like his dad. So did his great-grandpa. Many people tell Claire she has her mother's eyes and smile. It's in her genes. Claire has blue eyes. She has a big smile. So does her mom. Some genes tell about your special talents. Claire likes to sing. She has a good singing voice. Claire's mother and grandmother have good singing voices too. It's in their genes. Josh can pitch a ball very fast. He pitches for his baseball team. This is a talent Josh got from his genes. Josh's dad was a good pitcher too. So was his grandfather. It's in their genes. Some genes can be a problem. Some genes decide your health. Parents and grandparents can pass on genes that cause health problems. Some diseases can be inherited through genes. Claire has a strawberry allergy. She will get a rash if she eats strawberries. Her grandmother and aunt have the same strawberry allergy. They will get a rash if they eat strawberries too. It's in their genes. Genes make you special. Genes make you different from everyone else. The way you look and talents you have come from your genes. Genes come from your parents and family. Okay, so that was the end of chapter 4. Make sure you log in Canvas and check your assignments and see what you need to do. Have a great day.